Good morning students, welcome back to Geography online class. So, Geography lessons fully completed, isn't it? Hereafter a revision is going on. So, do you know today which lesson we are going to revise? That is Geography Unit 1, Lithosphere 1, Endogenetic Processes. Okay. So, all take page number 165 in your book. First, Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. Dash is the rigid outer layer of the earth, that is crust. Second one, dash layer is made up of liquid iron, that is outer core. Magma is found in the dash, mantle. Diastrophism is connected to dash, tectonics. The movement of tectonic plates is induced by dash energy, thermal. In the ancient period, Gondwana moved towards dash direction, north. Many million years ago, India was a part of the supercontinent, dash, Gondwana. The movement of plate that create stress and tension in the rock, causing them to stretch and crack, result in dash, that is fault. Dash refers to the bowl-shaped depression found at the top of the volcano, that is crater. The point of origin of an earthquake is called the dash, focus. Next, Roman number 2, match the following endogenetic processes, that is volcanic eruption, mantle, sima, convergent boundaries, subduction zone, earthquake, seismograph, composite volcano, Pacific Ocean. Roman number 3, first one, Mount Fuji is a dormant volcano. Mount Kilimanjaro is a dormant volcano. Mount Tanzania is a dormant volcano. So, which of the statement is true? That is the option A, 1 is true. Next, second one, statement, magma gushes out when it finds vents. Reason, interior of the earth contains compressed hot magma. So, in this, which of the statement is true? Option A is the correct answer. Statement and the reasons are true. Okay. Next, third one. Statement 1, mountain ranges are formed by the collision of tectonic plates. Statement 2, the movement of tectonic plates is due to the thermal energy from the mantle. So here option D, statement 1 and 2 are true. Okay. Next we can revise this answer in brief. The first question, write a brief note on the various spheres of the earth. That is in page number 158. Page number 158. I'll take page number 158. The lithosphere is the solid outer part of the earth. The atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surrounds the earth. The hydrosphere is the watery part of the earth's surface, including oceans, rivers, lakes, and water vapor. The biosphere is the layer of earth where life exists. Okay, student. Next, mention the layers of the interior of the earth. This is page number 157 and 158. The structure of the earth's interior is divided into 3 layers, namely the crust, the mantle, and the core. Crust is the outer layer of the earth where we live. It is the skin of our earth. The major element of crust are Cl or silica and aluminium, and the sima, silica and magnesium. Third one, define plate tectonic. That is page number 160. Page number 160. The lithosphere is divided into a number of huge slabs of rocks called tectonic plate. These tectonic plates are divided into major and minor plates. These plates float independently over the mantle. Collisions of these plates produce mountain ranges and other irregular surface features both on land and the ocean floor. This phenomenon is called plate tectonic. Next, fourth question, what is tsunami? That is page number 162. The word tsunami is a Japanese term meaning harbor waves. It is adopted to describe large seismically generated sea waves caused by earthquakes, submarine explosions. That means what? Erimalai Vedipu, okay, and landslides. These waves travel at a great speed and the length of the wave exceeds 600 km. These waves reaches to the height of more than 15 meters near the seashore and are capable of causing destruction along the coastal area. Fifth question. What is a volcano? Mention its major component. This page number 163. A volcano is a vent or an opening on the surface of the earth crust through which hot, solid, liquid and gaseous material erupt out of the, erupt means what? It comes out. What are the three materials? Solid, liquid and gaseous material. It is called magma that erupt out of the surface from the earth's interior. So volcanoes generally have the following major component. What are the component? Magma chamber, vent, volcanic cone and crater also. Okay. Next, sixth question. What is an earthquake and how it occurs? That is page number 162. Earthquakes are generally caused by the sudden vibration in the earth crust, which is spread outward in all directions as waves from the source of disturbance. The point of origin of an earthquake is called focus or hypocenter. What is another name for this? Focus, hypocenter, which generate a series of elastic waves. Epicenter is a point of Earth's surface and lies directly above the focus. Next question. What are seismic waves and mention its types? That is page number 162. Earthquake generates seismic waves. The nature, force and speed of the seismic waves depend on the nature of the medium through which it passes. There are three major types of waves. This primary or P waves, secondary or S waves and surface waves or L waves. Next, eighth question. Write about the Pacific Ring of Fire. This is in page number 164. That most earthquakes and volcanic eruptions do not strike randomly but occurs along the plate boundaries. One such area is the circum-Pacific Ring of Fire, where the Pacific plate meet many surrounding plates. So the Ring of Fire is the most seismically and volcanically active zone in the world. Next, give reason for the following. Sial floats over Sima. What is? Sial floats over Sima because Sial is less dense and lighter. Sial consists of silica and aluminium, which is lighter than Sima, which contains silica and magnesium. Therefore, Sial floats on Sima. Next, second question. Igneous rocks are called primary rocks or mother rocks. Why? Because igneous rocks are called primary or mother rock because all other rocks are directly or indirectly formed from them. Okay. Next, Roman number 6. Distinguish between core and crust. Core. The core is the innermost and hottest layer of the earth. But crust is the outer layer of the earth where we live. Second point, it lies below the mantle, but this crust, it lies above the mantle. Third point, it is composed mainly of nickel and iron. Here the major element of crust are silica and aluminium. Core is, it is called knife. Crust is called Sial. Okay. Next, second question, epicenter and hypocenter. Distinguish between epicenter and hypocenter. Here, epicenter is a point on the Earth's surface that lies directly above the focus. The hypocenter, the point of origin of an earthquake is called focus or hypocenter. Second point, the impact of the earthquake is felt the most at the epicenter. Hypocenter, it generates a series of elastic waves. Third question, divergent and convergent boundaries. Distinguish between divergent and convergent boundaries. Divergent boundaries, here the plates pull away from each other. Convergent boundaries, here the plates move towards each other and sometimes a plate sinks under another. Divergent boundaries, second point, most active divergent plate boundaries occur between oceanic plates and exist as mid-oceanic ridges. The location where the sinking of the plate occurs is called a subduction zone. Third point, divergent boundaries also form volcanic island. Convergent boundaries, the subducting plate is a subduction zone, is normally an oceanic crust. Next, fourth question, distinguish between primary waves and secondary waves. Primary or P waves are the fastest of all the earthquake waves. Secondary or S waves travel only through solid. Second point, they are the first to reach the epicenter. Secondary waves, these transverse waves shake the ground perpendicularly to the direction in which they propagate. Third point, these waves passes when an average velocity of 5.3 km per second to 10.6 km per second. Secondary wave, these waves pass with an average velocity of 1 km per second to 8 km per second. Okay. Next, fifth question, distinguish between shield volcano and volcanic dome. Shield volcano, first point, shield volcanoes are formed by intense viscous lava. Volcanic dome is formed due to the slow ejection of viscous lava from an volcano. Shield volcano, these are shallow deposits with gently sloping sides. Volcanic dome, it is a lava dome, roughly a circular mound. Third point, the lava flows out in all directions to create a shield. Volcanic dome, as a lava is rich in silica with intense viscosity, it is prevented from flowing far from its vent. The next fourth point, for shield volcano, example Mauna Loa, that is in Hawaii. For example, for volcanic dome, Paricutin, that is in Mexico. Okay. Next, right answer in a paragraph also. There are 4 questions you have. So you want to study everything thoroughly. Okay, students. Okay. Thank you, students.